talk about how can you fix this problem on your Norton security app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, so you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on apps. So then it's going to take you to apps list. In here can you looking for here Norton security app, or just click here on search, then add it here. So add here Norton security, then you click on it. So then all you have to do now, just click here on force stop here, then you click here on OK. So then you go down here, you just click here on storage, then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on clear cache. So then all you have to do, just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.